Today is August the 9th, 2026. For the first time in 10 days, I got to spend some time with Mother Earth in my big backyard, my big front yard, inside the queendom, on the computer, putting together photos to share with my friends and my family. It is a fact that this week I've hugged more necks of people I love than I have for the entire rest of the year. Let me tell you, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Newsom and I celebrated our 42nd anniversary up in Highlands, where we enjoyed the company of very many people. The entire staff of the old Edwards Inn accommodated our every need, from the linens to the barkeep. Every single receptionist offers me a glass of champagne with chambord if I so desire. Even the groundskeepers were polite and let me know what they were working on. Then, when we went to Paoletti's at 5 o'clock, because we had dinner reservations, they politely let us know that we had made those reservations for the 4th, not the 3rd. My infinite wisdom told me to say, yes, just sit us at the bar. We can have a complete dinner at the bar. There you go. That was my little Richard Pussycat coming to say hello. Our barmates were incredibly engaging. From Nicole, our bartender, who knew the night's menu, including all the specials that night. We heard her rattle them off at least 5 times. Another couple came in without reservations and sat with us, and they were from the Netherlands. A very charming mother and son duo who spoke beautiful English along with their native language. After a glass of wine, I had enough courage to ask if they would take our picture. And then, in turn, we got their phone and took their picture. And we all had a really nice time with Nicole at the bar. Friends on Facebook acknowledged Paoletti's, for sure. August 4th is our actual anniversary date, which was a Tuesday this year. And we did some exploration. After breakfast with the big bear, we drove along Highway 64 to Dry Falls. On Monday, before even coming up the mountain, we explored Black Rock Mountain State Park and took some good pictures. We'd never been there, nor had we ever explored Dry Falls, which was fun, especially with a GoPro. The GoPro can get wet, you know. I took videos with the GoPro coming and going, and we got back and we exhausted ourselves. But reservations at Madison's weren't until 8, so we still had some time to kill. Highlands Nature Center, here we come. by way of the Episcopal Church and all the hiking shops on that side of Highlands. Once again, the staff at the Nature Center, all of them were incredibly engaging. Let me tell you about that. The young lady who was going to take my money had a beautiful corn snake wrapped around her arm who was about to shed. It was a he, because she knew about hemipenes. Then there was the handsome gentleman showing the young people the millipedes that smelled like amaretto. He taught me that the millipedes of Alachi were a little bit different from the millipedes of Highlands. I fell in love with a t-shirt that had passion vine and Gulf fritillary butterflies. So Thursday, Penny came to stay with us. Friday, I saw my teacher buddies. And Saturday was the party for Paisley's first birthday.